Hi, my magical friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today we're going to go over the kits I've chosen for the month of April. So I've put them all in this new binder system that I have from Ray and Tay, and I mentioned this in the haul where I opened this, that I was going to be using it to kind of put my kits together for the coming month. So essentially I got the variety pack. So they have the small like $2 Tuesday slots. They have the kind of 5x7, I think that's right, size ones, and then you have the full size. So I'm going to show you, like I've done it for the monthly kits that I'm going to be using this month. I haven't done it for the other kits because I tend to do it the week of for those, but let me show you how this is going to work. So in here I have my April monthly kit, which is super pretty. This is from Miss and Meow. So I have my, April headers there, all my dates here, the big events that are happening this month, and then there's shapes and stuff down here. We have fill-in boxes and full boxes, and I think these are washi strips down here. So, and then more boxes, of course. And then I have my scripts that go with this. I have my sidebar, and this page with icons and boxes and everything. So that's what everything else is going to be based on. So there's my April kit. Let me go back to the first page because I feel like that's a little better. So I knew I wanted to use a trim with this. So I picked out this Miss and Meow trim because of April showers. So it has like little teardrops here that make me think of raindrops. So I'm going to be using that with it. And because I don't have another big slot, it will go in here with the monthly kit. And then I go through my, I guess it goes that way, sorry. I go through my extra sticker book, all the like leftovers from kits and stuff, and I will pull out various different things that I think might work for the month. I won't probably use all of them, but it gives me a starting point. After that, I go through and I pick out all of the other boxes that I think are going to work potentially with this kit. So like these are kind of functional things here. So we have boxes. Oh, there's some floral. Here's some more boxes. And then we have some boxes by Panda Bird Design, which are really, really cute as well. And then in the lower pouch, I have stuff from the Giving Girl. So we have like some sticky note type ones. We have some butterfly clusters, some garlands, and like some corner details that I might pull in. And then over here, this is all the $2 Tuesday kind of size things. So I have all of my Letters to Apollo butterfly stuff in here that's all silver. I didn't pick any other colors out. And then, I have these garlands over here. I have from the Sticker Guru some floral. This is a extra short foil. This is an extra short floral trim, which is really nice. And then I have these headers from Sadie Stickers and these extra boxes that I can use from the Pretty Pink Co. And that kind of makes everything all in one spot, and it's a little easier for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one back. So this is for my 7x9 planner. And then in my Hobonichi Cousin, I'm going to use this kit from Sticker Guru that I have. And same type of deal. You have your header here. You have boxes for fill-in here. You have shapes. You have washi. You have another bar. I don't really need this one because I'll just use the April. And then you have all of your big dates. And you have lots of boxes and such here. So I'm not pulling in too much for this one because it's pretty, it's a smaller space and I don't do a ton of decorating in that planner. So here I couldn't find white, so it's just on this peach notepad, but I put swatches of the two washies I think are going to go really well with this that I might pull in. I have the Paper Doll Girl that I thought would look really nice with this, and then I have the Every Minute of the Story. I have this in here so I can mark Easter and all of that kind of thing, and Earth Day. And then I just have the florals and other things that came with the kit here. So that's April. And then here, as you can see, I put one of the $2 Tuesday sheets here, and then one of the 5x7. I do this for every one of the kits that I've pulled out here. So the 28th through the 3rd, we're going to go see Hamilton. So I've picked out my Hamilton things here. So I have a Hamilton kit from the Sugary gal shop. Super cute. Love all the decorative boxes and everything. Love how this turned out. I probably won't use the bill dues in here. And I don't know if I'll use the little things, but we'll see. And then we have checklist and Monday through Sunday list, and then headers and washi and all of these scripts. It's a pretty simple kit, and I probably will end up pulling in a lot more things to go with that. So far, the only thing that I've pulled out, because I bought this specifically to go with this kit, is from Triple Threat Planner, and it's just all of the Hamilton scenes. I'll probably use this on the day that we go see Hamilton, but I really, really love all of the people that she drew here, and just the little quotes that she has, like the I pick up a pen, I'm not throwing away my shot, talk less, smile more, and of course you have a couple things for the king, which I'm going to use a lot. I actually could probably use a whole sheet of just the king to mark my daughter's performances, but you know, it's all really cute. So that is the first week of April. And then the week of April 4th through the 10th. So on these sticky notes, I wrote down like what are the big things that are going to be happening that week, so I can keep those in mind for when I'm picking the kit. So I did pick the kit Little Things here. This is from the Sadie sticker Advent box. So it says celebrate the little things here, and it is my birthday week. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. I probably won't use this box, but the rest of them seem, you know, I think they'll work. And I love the icons and just the pastel colors of all the boxes, and our Monday through Sundays, our headers, our layering elements, and our checklist. And then of course our Monday through Sunday. I love this box here. I might use that for my birthday. And then we have this gorgeous bottom washi. And then of course, since it was the Advent box, it came with some additional things. So I have the florals here. I have like these swatches on a translucent paper. Ooh, I think, yeah, 2 different florals, because it came with the pink ones and the purple ones, so that's going to be really fun. So that's what I have for week 2. Then for week 3, which is actually the way I plan going to be the week of Easter, I made the decision, because my Easter kit hasn't came in yet, and I really love this kit and I wanted to use it in April, that I'm going to use this kit from the Giving Girl. It's called Rainy Day Blooms, and actually National Rain Day falls this week, so I thought it was kind of fitting. So we also have like spring show rehearsals for skating and a lot of other things. So it has rain clouds. I love this. Storms don't last forever. Love, love the umbrella. And just, it's really, really pretty. I'm not sure if this is still in her shop because I did buy it last year. So here's the bottom washi, and you have these additional strips here. These are all flags. You have your Monday through Sunday, your headers, and these are scallop boxes down here. This is your functional page. Oh, I had it right the first time. So I actually really love the florals that she chose on this. They're not overwhelming to me. And I love these boxes where you have like the florals, but then you have a space to write in. So we have that one. And then this is the final page of the kit. So you have this, these are both half or quarter circles. And then you have lots of layering elements. You have her traditional boxes here. You have tons of icons. Checklist, and her checklist are kiss cut, which is really cool. And then she has these little arrows that I love. So we have that, and then this is like a checklist. This would be the only one of the florals that I'm not as big on, because I feel like it's so busy that if I write on there, it's gonna get lost. But I could always layer something on top of it. So we'll see. So that is the week of April 11th through the 17th. And then the following week is April 18th through the 24th. So I'll be using, at least I think, I could change this one actually. that I'm going to use this Harriet Wright Designs Daphne kit. It's from Bridgerton, and I'm a big fan of. I actually really love the books. The movies I'm adjusting to. I think they're really good, but there's a lot of difference between the two. So, it says love never fails here. I love the Lady Whistledown papers here. Actually, in that series, there's a whole series of books about Lady Whistledown as well. And we have piano here and the beautiful gloves, them together, and her in the room. Her face is a little weird here. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's maybe the longness of her neck in proportion or something. So that is probably my least favorite box, honestly. And then you have this page. So we have another full box here, your Monday through Sunday, a checklist here, your habit trackers, some icons. This is her older format because, again, I bought this last year. So we have a lot of different layering icons here. We have checklist here. These are headers, and of course that full box. Then we have a page of boxes to use, which I love. And I don't know if I have a favorite one, but maybe this one with the floral kind of faded in the background with this white, so it makes it easier to write on. But her boxes are very simple on this one. I love the bottom washi here. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And then we have, of course, our Monday through Sunday headers, the weekend, and then these are headers as well. So that's Daphne. And then for the final week of April, I decided to use one of the kits that I just got because I'm completely in love with it. I actually just ordered the florals to be able to put it aside with this. So this one's called Beauty. It's from Letters to Apollo. I think it's one of her newer kits. So it says here, the beautiful journey of today can only begin when we learn to let go of yesterday. And then you have all these lavender fields and everything with silver accents, which I think are absolutely gorgeous. And then here's our days of the week, which her script here, oh my goodness, I'm in love with the script. So we have those, we have our Monday through Sunday, we have a checklist, we have more checklist here, our habit trackers, some half circles, these really unique layering, I don't even know what to call them. I want to say blobs, but it feels wrong. But just unique shapes that you can layer here. And then we have arrows and other layering elements through here. We have these unique boxes. I love this one. And then we have some more unique boxes up here. We have all of our traditional type boxes through here, which are really easy to use. And then we have some specific headers. These are all headers down the side. And then this is our washi, which I love. I think I love the floral more than the lines, but it's a close call. So that is all my kits that I've picked out so far for April. I haven't picked out the ones, like the weekly ones for my Hobonichi, but I'm thinking I'm going to use this really big kit, possibly for the whole month. So this one is, it's called Cherry Blossom, and April is the perfect month for cherry blossoms. So you have all of this. This is one of her subscriptions, so it comes with enough stickers for the whole month. So we have the cherry blossom bonus sheet, so you just have these. And then here is one of the full pages of stickers you can choose from. You have planning session down here, as well as quick clean and family time. I probably won't use the quick clean. And then we have this page with to-dos on the bottom. Oh, this was the first page of this, sorry. So this one has your kit paid, which I like to mark in this calendar, or in this planner, because it's a YouTube thing and it'll show me when to plan out to do that. So we have some more icons or deco there. We have our headers and all of our this week's. As you can see, there's 4 of them. And then we have the Monday through Sundays, again, 4 of them with some more deco. We have checklist here. We have more icons here. We have quarter boxes and habit trackers and Hello Weekends. And then we have half boxes, washi strips, and there's 2 pages that are exactly like for this with these little boxes at the bottom, which I love. Then we have all of our days of the week and dates on the side here. Oh, this is the second one. This one might also come into play. So this one is called Just My Type, and it's also another subscription one that I have. So again, it's a very long kit. So you have your different layer or your different icons here. You have full boxes again, and more full boxes, and icons and that kind of thing. I love this down here, and of course your to-dos are there. Then you have all of your quarter boxes, your habit trackers and weekends, half boxes, and this is what the Mondays through Sundays look like. And here are your dates, your checklist, more deco, and your Monday through Sundays, your dividers and your this week's, and then here are your washi strips. And then I also have, each one of these comes with a giant sticker like this. So I have this one pulled out to put at the beginning of my day pages in my Hobonichi. And I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.